Today, I'm going to share how you can simply assign Google Tasks inside Google Workspace using Gmail, Google Sheets, and Google Docs. Now, this is inside a paid Google Workspace account. So how can you and your teams collaborate on tasks across your favorite Google apps? First, let's take a look at Gmail. Simply navigate over to Chat on the left-hand side and simply locate the space that has your team that you want to assign tasks to. You can see I only have one space here. If you like, you can create a new space by clicking on New Chat and then clicking Create a Space. Go ahead and name your space, and we're going to use this space for collaboration. Add your settings, then click on Create. I'm going to add a team member. Here I'm going to add Emma to this space. Then to assign a task, simply navigate up to Assign Tasks or navigate up to Tasks, and that's going to open up the Google Tasks app. Then click Add Space Task. Go ahead and name your task and then add task details. For example, follow up on client A regarding web package B. Then add a time and date. This task is due on the 5th and add a time, 12 o'clock, OK. Then navigate over to Assign and assign a team member that is part of your space. I'm just going to add myself for now. Here I am, and then click on Add. And now if I navigate over to Google Tasks and then choose the task list, My Tasks, you can see that task has been added here, and that task is associated with this team task. If I click here, you can see all the task details here. And again, you can view and manage these tasks on the go with the free Google Tasks mobile app. Okay, let's close out of this. Next, let's jump into Google Docs. And as you can see inside of Google Docs, I've opened up this file and I've already gone ahead and inserted a table. Now what I can do is assign a Google task to my team members that are part of my Google Workspace account, and that will reference this document. Simply hit the @ symbol, then navigate down and locate task. Again, add a task title, then assign a team member. This time I'm going to assign Emma, and then add a task date. And those are the basic options we have inside Google Docs. Then come down and click on Assign as a Task. Then I can choose these permission details for this team member and then click on Share. Now Emma can jump into this proposal, this Google Doc, and complete this task by clicking here, or inside Emma's Google Task app under the task list, My Tasks. Next, how can you assign tasks inside Google Sheets? Let's jump over to Google Sheets. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. And here I am inside Google Sheets. In particular, I'm inside Sheetify CRM, which is an all-in-one Google Sheets CRM that we created for small businesses. If you're interested in learning more and getting yourself a copy of this all-in-one business toolkit, I will add the links down below in the description. As you can see, we're currently inside of Google Tasks. Now, this is a custom integration that we created between Google Sheets, our Sheetify CRM, and Google Tasks. For example, let's navigate up to Task List and click on Client Tasks. And these are our client tasks. Now, what I can do is click on this particular task here. I'm going to assign it to myself, and then what I can do is navigate up to Sheetify, Taskify, and I can share that task with the Google Task app by simply clicking Client Task. And you'll see the notification down below and the task being added to our Google Task app. And again, we can customize those details here. Again, you can create this custom connection between Google Sheets and the Google Task app, or get yourself a copy of our Sheetify CRM or Bookkeeping Toolkit, which have this client task integration already set up. Now, what you could also do, for example, under Assign To, I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And inside your version of Google Sheets, if you don't have this integration set up, you can also assign tasks with comments. Simply navigate up to Insert and then click on Comment, then type in @ and locate the team member you want to assign a specific task to. For example, I want to assign Emma. All I need to do is click on Assign to Emma, and the assigned person will be notified and responsible for marking this as completed. The great thing about this method is Emma will be notified in her Gmail inbox and be made aware that she needs to complete this specific task. All I need to do is come down and click on Assign. And if that team member currently does not have access to your Google Sheets template, give them the specific access you want them to have and then click on Comment. Again, if you like, you can add notes, or if you've structured it like this, you can add notes and task details within the specific row that team member has been assigned to. However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in this tutorial, showing you how you can assign tasks using 4 different methods across Google Sheets, Gmail, and Google Docs. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.